Hello and welcome to our PMP exam training for today. My name is Phil and I have with me my awesome co-trainer, Emily. Emily, how you doing?
Hi, I'm well today, Phil. It's a pleasure to be here. How are you?
I'm doing really good. We have with us, Emily, our friends who are getting ready for the exam. As you know, we've done this so many times. We've been training for eons, but we don't want to date ourselves here. Why don't we just give a quick intro of who we are?
Sure. Well, my name's Emily Berry, and I have 20 years or maybe more by now of learning and development experience. I've been training project management professional candidates and managers for many, many years. And I think it's a very relevant and important certification for people to earn. And I think it's wonderful anyone who takes the time and effort to really learn what's involved in the guide to the PMBOK. I do have an MBA. I have a number of different technical certifications, and I also have a couple different licenses in finance. So I've taken a lot of tests and I understand what everybody's about ready to embark on, and I congratulate everyone for that.
Thank you, Emily, and hopefully we'll get to learn maybe a little bit, just a tiny little smidgen about net present value and IRR. That's your area. That's where you work right now, correct?
Yeah, but I closed down that document that I wrote about it. But yeah, if we're just going to talk off the cuff, that's fine. But you have to tell me before. Yeah, okay. Because I can open it up.
No pressure. We're not going to talk about that right now.
Okay.
But for those who don't know, my name is Phil. Emily and I have been doing this for a while. We started off in a company called Skillsoft. And after that, we've done a lot of stuff with Praizion. So here's my information on the screen. I have over 20 years of program and project management experience on various projects. I've been training the PMP exam since 2005. The moment I got certified, I started training, worked with many companies such as Honeywell, Motorola, General Dynamics, US Airways, even in pharmaceutical and gaming. I've been training this since the 2nd edition. So right now we're still on the 6th edition, but as many of you know, we are changing over to the new PMP exam as labeled by the PMI. So this is all new, kind of a new mindset to the exam where we're looking at the people, process, and business. And that's why Emily and I are here today. We're going to be taking you through the people, process, and business sections so that you get a little bit more clued in as far as what the PMI is changing, what is the same, and how to study. And Emily and I, we can assure you it is absolutely doable for you to pass this exam. I know some of you might have failed the exam in the past, but you will succeed if you have the right mindset. Right, Emily? We've done this for so long and we've seen people who failed and they bounce back, right?
Oh, and they always do. And it's a matter of putting the hours in, knowing yourself, and really having the patience to learn the material and some grit. You need some grit also.
You need some grit. Hopefully by the time we're done, we'll give you a serving of grits. We'll see you soon. So we'll start off with the people piece and we'll be going into task 1.